Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss tips for attempting assertion and reason question answers. First step is read the assertion and reason carefully. Read the statements carefully, then try to understand the meaning of both the statements. These are the most important tips. Then what will you do? Check if assertion is related to reason in any way, and then pay attention towards the key words and phrases that indicate relationship between both the statements. There are some keywords or some phrases in the statements that show relation between the statements. That could be anything. Let's see it with an example. The example is assertion is sun is the biggest star, and reason provided is it is nearest to earth. Here the keywords are biggest and star. Sun is a star, it is right, but whether it is biggest or not, and other is nearest to earth. These are the two phrases. Now what will we do? Identify the accuracy of statements, whether the statements are true or false. Right? Like sun is the biggest star. Sun is a star. Whether it is biggest or not, it is a, here we have a confusion. Next is notice the validity of explanation of given reason for the assertion. Here reason was it is nearest to earth. Now what will we do? Sun is biggest star. It is a star, but whether it is biggest or not, here is a confusion. And reason is it is nearest to earth. It is nearest to earth. It is right. It means reason here is right. It is nearest to earth. That is why it looks big. Next, what will we do? Select the right option from the given choices. We are given some choices to opt the right one. Then select the right one. And if have you are facing little confusion, then eliminate completely incorrect options and focus on the confusing options. If you have some confusion in your mind, then what will you do? The incorrect options which you are consider that these options are completely incorrect, then eliminate them. Like both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Next is both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. Next is A is true but R is false, and next is A is false but R is true. Here both the statements are not true because sun is not biggest star. So first statement is incorrect. Exactly, the second statement will also be incorrect because when A is in false, then how could be it explain? Then comes A is true but R is false. The next statement is A is true but R is false. Here it is also wrong. Then what statement is right? A is false but R is true. If you have still some problem, then recall the notes related to the topic and then apply your logic and select the right option. These are the tips to attempt assertion reason question answer.